This Diwali is special for me because this year has been very difficult for us. The entire nation was locked down and we all humans were inside our houses. It was very difficult, but somehow we dealt with it. This Diwali brings hopes in our life that everything is gonna be on track soon. So, as Lord Rama won over Ravana, every evil thing is going to end soon.
Hello friends, I am CA Shivani Mania. This Diwali is very special for me because already I have completed my 2 papers of CPA with miles and I am very near to my target of achieving CPA with miles. Thank you Miles and happy Diwali Miles.
Hi Miles team, hi Vidya ma'am. First of all, a very happy Diwali to you and your family in advance. May God bless you with all the happiness, success, love and care. So coming to the point, this Diwali is so special to me because this is the first Diwali after my marriage and luckily my wife got an off on that day because she's a cabin crew and she doesn't get offs on these types of peak seasons. And I have bought a gold for my parents. So this is my first ever gold purchase for my parents and I'm very happy for this. And I think Diwali is not a festival of lights but also sharing the love. So we have bought gifts and chocolates for our maids and servants and watchmen. So we are spreading love so that their Diwali should be great this year. So I think this is the first Diwali I will be celebrating happily from the bottom of my heart. And dear team, we miss you a lot. Happy Diwali in advance. Take care. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Shruti Bhandari and I am from Rafikera Deemed University, Dehradun. I am in course of BBA with CMA included and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. Now I want to share some of few things about Diwali 2020. I pray the God and I hope this Diwali brings a lot of success to me and my friends in exams to get passed with a very good qualified marks. Diwali. May these fires burn all our problems, struggles and sorrows. And these light up our life with full of happiness and joy, peace of this wonderful Diwali. Let us celebrate this festival in the true sense by spreading a joy and light of the world of others. Have a happy, safe and blessed Diwali. This Diwali is special to me because every year of Diwali I was in hostel, I was not able to celebrate fully this Diwali as my wish. This Diwali 2020 is really special to me. I am celebrating with my family together as my wish is getting fulfilled. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is Jayashri Gupta wishing each and every member of Miles Education a very happy Diwali. This Diwali is special for me because sitting in our home and celebrating Diwali with our family is really exciting, peaceful and delightful. But then being in a situation of this pandemic, you cannot go out and celebrate with your friends or relatives. But the level of excitement of this Diwali is to the next level. And it's just not about me but for others too. Guess what is making this Diwali a really different and kind of very exciting? Okay, it's Ram Mandir of Ayodhya. People were waiting for this kind of celebration since years. So the ground ceremony brought us this year with lots of positive vibes, energy And although I am here in Jabalpur, but then I can feel the zeal, excitement of people of Ayodhya towards this Diwali festival, and even their love and devotion towards Lord Ram. This Diwali is not only special for me but for all those who adore Lord Ram a lot. So I wish each and everyone a very very happy Diwali. Be safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello sir, first of all a very happy Diwali. So my name is Ashreya. This Diwali is very special for me because currently I am staying in Uttar Pradesh and my college is in Kerala. So like previous Diwali I thought that maybe this would be one of my last Diwali in my home. Maybe after 3 years I'll celebrate Diwali with my family. So previously I was a little sad that okay, maybe this may be the last Diwali, so I will enjoy a lot. So because of COVID, one positive aspect for me was that I can celebrate Diwali once more with my family. Like maybe after 2 years, these 2 years I cannot celebrate, but this year I got an extra year to celebrate Diwali with my family, because I will be staying in hostel in Kerala, so I will not be coming much to home. So I thought that maybe last year would be my last Diwali, but I got one more year in bonus to celebrate Diwali with my family. So yeah, this Diwali is very very special for me because I've got one more Diwali to celebrate with my family. After 2 years I will of course, but but this year I thought that I would not be celebrating, but still I am celebrating Diwali with my family. So yeah, it's special. So this Diwali is very very special for me.
Good morning, sir. I'm Falguni Gupta, and I'm here to tell you that why the Diwali is special for me. As we know that this is the festival of lights, and it is celebrated as on this day Lord Ram returned after 14 years. Now coming to why this Diwali is special for me. As we all know, due to COVID-19, there was lockdown and a lot of crisis. So for the first time I thought that I should not be buying crackers, and instead of buying crackers, I'll be buying clothes and sweets for the needy, so that they can celebrate Diwali too. Thank you and happy Diwali.
Namaste. My name is Anjali. I am pursuing CMA from Miles Education. This Diwali has been very special to me for two main reasons. The first being I have been graduated from college with a very good percentage. The second is the government ban on crackers. This has been a delight to street animals. Thank you.
A very very happy Diwali to one and all. Why this Diwali is special for me? Because this year was very special for me. This pandemic taught me a lot of things. It taught me how to be grateful for each and everything, how to be patient, how to be hardworking and achieve your goals. It taught to me how to be confident, and I learned many more things.
It is loud, colorful, and joyous. Bright colors are key to the festival. Diwali meant to string lights through the greenery of our yard and around the doors. Diwali is delicious. It is an occasion to go all out with rich, delicious dishes. This Diwali is special for me because it is a sacred occasion. There is something magical about this yearly occasion that summons fond our childhood memories. This pre-Diwali I celebrated with my loved ones by making rangoli with them, by providing them some knowledge and burning crackers with them. I love them a lot because I love to spend time with them. They make me happy because they are my happiness. It is a positively an occasion where people overlook disputes, hence friendships and relationships become more stronger during Diwali. People throw all out all the feelings, haters from their hearts.
Diwali is not just about wearing new clothes and burning crackers. It's all about burning all the evil.
Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam. Bargo devasya dhimahi diyo yo na prachodayat. Happy Diwali, everyone! This Diwali is a symbol of light, colors, and happiness. And also, we all celebrate with the blessings of God Lakshmi, the servings of delicious sweets. We celebrated this wonderful festival with family and friends and also enjoyed many cultural activities. But now, it's been a time for me to move into my career and to make my people feel happy. This Diwali has made me mature to hold and take all the responsibilities to make my surroundings happy. I also take this moment to thank Miles to adding up a chain of success to my life. Happy Diwali, everyone! Happy Diwali, my wonderful Miles, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
For the years, for the very first time in 8 years, I'll be just enjoying this Diwali without worrying about what is going to happen tomorrow. I don't have to worry about I'll have to prepare for my exams. I have to wake up early in the morning and just start reading the books. For the very first time in over 8 years, I'll be just enjoying this Diwali with my friends, with my family, and especially with my mom. For the very first time, I'll be going to sit with my mom in the Puja Diwali, in the Diwali Puja, and I was actually missing this particular part. I was all these years I was just preparing for the exams, which is going to held on the very next day of the Diwali. So yes, I'm so happy that I'll be with my mom. I'll be with my friends, my family, and I'll just be eating all the stuffs which my mom is going to cook for me. So honestly, I am so happy that on this Diwali I don't have to worry about the books. I don't have to worry about the job, and this is possible just because 2 years back I made a very good call of joining CPA with Miles. So this is the reason why I actually feel this Diwali is very much special for me. So at the end, everyone are very happy.